Tree removal is underway along US 25 in Burke County. I'm at the intersection of Coleman-Young Road. Unfortunately, this intersection has seen some severe crashes recently. We thank the local officials in Burke County for bringing this to our attention. We've been reviewing the intersection. We've determined we can improve line of sight. We're going to take out all these trees you see behind me, about 10 to 15 feet, basically to this pole. That should greatly improve line of sight as you're looking north down US 25. We found that most of these trees are not on Georgia DOT right-of-way, but we've been working with the landowners. We have permission to cut these trees down. Over at least the next week, expect to see crews out here removing the trees, cutting them down, hauling them off. They're going to also be grinding the stumps down, so just expect lane closures out here, and please slow down so these crews can perform this work. We also believe that driver behavior may have contributed to some of these crashes, in particular speed and failure to yield. Just remember, traffic on US 25, the speed limit is 65 miles per hour. We know that not everyone obeys the speed limit, so if you're coming off of Coleman-Young Road, think US 25. They could be going interstate speeds really fast, so use extra caution when you pull out. And if you're on US 25, slow down, please. Drive with caution. Remember, there are intersections and driveways all up and down US 25. Just wanted to give you guys an update about this. If you have any concerns about any intersections in our district, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks, everyone.